Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about rip currents. I hope you enjoy. Now, what are rip currents? Rip currents are potentially deadly currents which are created by breaking waves. These currents start near or at the shore or beach and either carry water all the way to the open ocean or do a U-turn and go back to the beach. This is position 1 of a rip current. So here's the beach. And here's the water. The water is pushing the water over here back out to the ocean. So these are the waves and the excess water go over here. It slides down and it goes into the rip current. And this one goes straight to the ocean. And it's very powerful and there's almost no chance of you swimming against the current. And so what you should do is just let the current go and push you out to sea. But then now you can go back and just swim to shore, because rip currents usually at most only push you around like 1,000 feet. But so you will be easily able to just slowly just go back to shore. And don't waste energy by trying to swim against the current, because you'll waste energy and then you'll drown. So here, the second position is the same, except it goes straight to the open ocean, but U-turns back to shore. Now this is actually easy. What you should do is just stay calm and let the rip current take you back to the beach. These are actually more common, but you should still be wary and be careful of not going into a rip current, as they can be dangerous. How do rip currents form? When waves crash onto the beach, the excess water has to go somewhere, right? And that excess water goes sideways on the beach until it reaches a gap where it forms into a rip current. And that gap could be like a sandbank and something like that, like a gap in the sandbanks. So how would you spot a rip current? That's very easy. But it takes a trained eye. These rip currents look very calm compared to the rest of the beach, and they might have foam going away from the shore instead of going to the shore. For example, you have this, and you see the foam is going away over here, and over here too. The foam is going away from the beach. Over here, that the foam is all just going to the beach, but over here, the foam is going away. And this is a rip current. If you step in it, you'll most likely get sucked in. So here, look for darker color water and gaps in the sand, as those are a sign of rip currents. One more tip about rip currents is that rip currents don't actually pull you under the water. They only pull you above. So you won't actually drown. You'll only actually just drown if you panic and don't do the right steps. Goodbye, and I hope you liked this video.